Looks like we're live. Hey, Chuck Shaduck, the Digital Duck here, St. Joseph, Missouri. And the talk that I'd like to be able to present to people over out there in the world is about a page of mine, and it's how to break free from job slavery. Now, you may not look at this job as a slavery thing, but I personally do. And I'd like to invite you to get over to peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net, where you're invited to stop into my digital home office here. There's going to be a link around this post. I think it's over here or up there somewhere. You just click on it, pop right in and say hello, the old-fashioned way, face-to-face. No fingertips, just face-to-face. Hello, have a cup of coffee with mine, which mine's kind of needs to be filled up, by the way. So I'm here to really share with folks that the way that you break free from job slavery is you start to get a little bit more here and a little bit more there and a little bit more. I'm retreaded, I call it. I'm not retired because everybody I know is retired is past. So I keep going at it, and I am retreaded, and I'm doing it on this internet highway thing. And that's the way that you got to do it, a little bit at a time. It took me 30 years to get to where I'm at here, and a considerable amount of losses and lessons along the way. But you got to start somewhere. And the trick is this. Instead of always working for your money, you got to put a little bit of your money to work for you. It was made to work for you, not for you to work for it consistently over and over and over again. That most people will do on the 40-40-40 plan, right? So how you break free from job slavery? If you think that it can be done, if you know that it can be done, and I'm here to prove that it can be done, I'll be glad to show anybody out there how you take a little bit and a little bit and a little bit at a time. It's like my mama used to say, how do you eat an elephant, you crazy boy? I said, well, what? She says, a little piece at a time. You do it a little piece at a time, folks. So that's what I just like to share this with folks out there, because if you can ever just wake up and realize that a little investment here and a little bit in there and a little bit there builds up to a whole lot. And you can absolutely help other people first. The more people you help, the more will come back to you. That's a fact of life, period. If you help other people, it will come back to you tenfold. And at peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net, you're going to find out that I'm 64 years vintage. I'll be 65, beginning of my 65th one, coming up real soon here. But you got to stop and you got to say, I'm worth more than what I'm doing. If you enjoy what you're doing, fantastic, keep on doing it. Just a little piece here and a little piece there that goes for you, to help you build some residual incomes, because those are the key, man. I'm telling you, those are the key. Residual incomes that keep coming in, keep coming in, keep coming. Whether your arms broke, your legs broke, the old back doesn't work, or the lawnmower's broke down. They just keep coming. So how you want to break free from job slavery? Get over to peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net. Check it out. You're going to see we're in a new technology world. It's a digital world. And this is why I have a digital office. People come in and talk to me all the time in here from around the world. So get in tune with the digital world, folks. At peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net, we're here to help each other. We're going to flip-flop this thing around. Instead of fighting and competing against each other all the time, like it's a football game, we're going to help each other. Doesn't that make sense? Sure makes sense to me. And here's my big thumbs up to everybody. Keep smiling, keep getting up, and keep moving. Get on over to peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net. See what this thing is all about, how good it feels to help others. It's an amazing thing. So bye for now.